Hello, I'd like to show you my demonstration of an NTC. An NTC is a material that's being used in electronic circuits, and in electronics they look like this. There are plenty of videos that show what NTCs are and what they do, but I want to demonstrate you an NTC that you know very well. Probably have one stored in your drawer or in your pencil case. Graphite is an NTC material. When you warm it up, its electrical resistance goes down. That's what NTC materials do. So, when the temperature goes up, the conductivity of the graphite increases. It conducts current easier. And that's the same way like saying its resistance go down. Now let's see what happens. I have a burner right there. It's already on. Let's increase the volume a little bit. Here you see my piece of graphite. And this is an ohmmeter that shows the resistance right now. So when I heat up this part of graphite, something should change about its resistance. Let's have a look. Can you see the resistance going down? It's quite a lot of difference, eh? See that? You can see the glowing of the graphite. So now I'm taking away the flame again so it can cool down. And look, up goes the resistance. If I wouldn't have an ohmmeter, there's another way of showing you that resistance is changing. Well, if you don't have an ohmmeter, you can use a power supply and a lot of light bulbs. And if you want to know what light bulbs I used, you better check out on my website. I will explain. And I will also explain why I use so many light bulbs. As you can see, they're all connected parallel. And the rest goes in series with the graphite. So if I heat up the graphite right over here, then all the light bulbs should get more current and they should give more light. Let's see if we can light up the lights. Yeah, it happens. So then you will see the graphite glowing. Also indication that it's really hot over here. Come on, glow. Can you see it now? It's glowing. And the light bulb, they all also glow very well now. So let's take away the heat and the light bulbs should dim again. So this is also showing that when you heat up graphite, its resistance is going down. It's an NTC. Thanks for watching.